All right, Drew, this is something that I haven't seen before. Walk us through.
How's it going? Drew Vergil-Bisaillo for Sherpa Technology Group, representing Marantz and talking about the new Model 40N. So, as you can see, first things you notice is, well, hey, it's silver, but also the new luxury industrial design. This is going to be representative of everything to come from Marantz in the future. We are moving towards this look. It is a kind of a reinvention of the Marantz brand in a sorts, going back to when the numbers that were smaller meant that the amplifier was better. But in this series, we got the Model 40, we do have a Model 30, eventually we may have a Model 20 and Model 10, but right now I wanted to talk a bit about the Model 40N, which in terms of features, price point, you get quite a bit. So we're looking at a 70 watt per channel, toroidal transformer, made in Japan, integrated amplifier with built-in streaming capabilities, whether that be through AirPlay, whether that be for our HEOS platform if you want to stream from Tidal or Deezer. It does have Spotify Connect as well. It also does have an HDMI ARC built in so that you can pair this easily with a television and have it self-program right away, so you're not fussing around with, oh, I'm going to have too many remotes or anything like that. It does have a lot of nice features that really kind of simplify the setup, whether you're doing this for musical listening or if you are part of your main system integrated with the television as well.
It's beautiful, by the way. It really is pretty.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think in silver or in black,
Yeah.
they've really nailed it on this one.
Yeah.
And this is really where the look is going. It wasn't just a facelift, it was a reinvention of the brand. Marantz wants to put forward luxury products that people are proud to own.
So we should mention that the turntable that you've got on display is not a new model. It's been around for a little while. And you'll notice how this line used to, I guess, mimic the integrated amp line. So
It certainly did. For a long time, we kind of had that flanged out curve on the side.
Yeah.
And it was iconic. I mean, we probably had that look for about, I'm gonna say about 12 years.
Yeah, over a decade.
Over a decade at least.
Yeah.
Going from the flat models, which I still own some of the old flat models.
Yeah.
Previous to that, when I worked in retail. But yeah, the look has changed. But I still think this fits. I think we wanted to present a system
Totally
with the
fits.
matching CD player as well, since the streaming is built in to the integrated amplifier. We wanted to have a matching CD player that fit the look, that fit the system. So this is the CD60 from Marantz. But the turntable, which is probably one of our maybe best kept secrets in terms of performance and what you get from an actual high-end turntable, is a nice pairing, I think, aesthetically as well, with the system.
And the amp and the CD player are available now?
Amp and CD player and turntable available now.
Isn't that something? Okay, so there we've got Model 40N, and that's $3,500 Canadian.